Hi everyone, especially to our amazing students out there. Another day, another lesson to learn. Hi, I am Zunessa Bidagpin, a second-year college student taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. Today's video is all about the 5 basic grammar rules of prescriptive grammar. Now, what is prescriptive grammar? Prescriptive grammar is a set of rules about language. Okay, now let's get right to its rules. Prescriptive grammar generally has 6 basic grammar rules, but in today's video, I am just going to discuss 5 of them, namely run-on sentences, sentence fragments, subject-verb agreement, plural and possessive, and lastly, we have the capitalization rules. First, we have the run-on sentences, which is also called a fused sentence. It is sometimes called like that because there are 2 independent clauses which are not connected properly. This happens when you use a comma to connect the 2 independent clauses. For example, I love this chair. It's so colorful. Notice that it is connected by a comma, which is not the correct way. Instead, you can correct it by adding a coordinating conjunction. I love this chair because it's so colorful. Or you can just make it into 2 sentences. I love this chair, period, it's so colorful. Next, we have the sentence fragments. By fragments, they are incomplete sentences or have been disconnected from the independent clause. For example, under the table. Notice that the sentence given is an incomplete sentence or a fragment. What you are going to do is to remove the period that separates the fragment under the table to the main clause, the ball was found. We now have the complete sentence, the ball was found under the table. Next, we have the subject-verb agreement. As the name suggests, the subject and the verb must complement each other. It's either singular or plural. A singular subject, noun, or pronoun must have a singular verb. For example, the child plays with the doll. We have the singular subject, the child, and the singular verb, plays. Meanwhile, a plural subject, noun, or pronoun must have a plural verb. For example, the children play with the doll. We have the plural subject, the children, and the plural verb, play. Next, we have the plural and possessive rule. It is the adding of s in a word. For example, we have the word aircraft. To make the word plural, you just simply have to add s, aircrafts. And if you want to show possession, just add an apostrophe. Lastly, we have the capitalization rules. The words that needs to be capitalized are the following. First word in a sentence, proper nouns, titles, directions used as sections of a country, days, months, year, holidays, nationalities, language, historical age and events, trademarks, groups, initials, acronyms, and names of planets. Alright, that ends our discussion for today. I'll be leaving you with this quote from Bruce Lee. Learning is a constant process of discovery, a process without end. Thank you for watching.